Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So dear students of Standard 9, welcome back to this online lecture series of Hera English School Standard 9. In the last lecture of Science 2, we had discussed about classification of living organisms into 5 kingdoms. I hope you remember all of them. Let us recall the name of those 5 kingdoms. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, and Kingdom Animalia. So today we are going to discuss Kingdom Plantae. As the name of the chapter is classification of plants, so we are going to discuss the further topic of the chapter, which is totally based on classification of plants. Dear students, as it was told to you in the last lecture, every classification have basis. So for classification of plants as well, there are certain criteria. We have to understand those criteria. For the first criterion for the classification of plants is whether they have organs or not. The organs for reproduction. The first criterion for the classification of plant is presence or absence of organs for reproduction. Then comes the second criteria for the classification of plant is the presence or absence of conducting tissue. This is the second criteria. Then comes the third criteria, the presence of or absence of seeds. Okay. Now, if those who have seeds, whether the seeds are of single cotyledon or 2 cotyledons. So these are the further criteria. And then came different criteria like presence or absence of flowers, presence or absence of seeds, as I said you. So presence or absence of fruits. Okay, so all these criteria were taken into consideration, and the kingdom Plantae was further divided into 2 sub-kingdoms by the scientist called Eckler in the year 1883. He was a botanist, and he divided the kingdom Plantae into 2 sub-kingdom Cryptogams and sub-kingdom Phanerogams. So these are the 2 sub-kingdoms which we are going to discuss. Okay, our today's lecture will be based on sub-kingdom Cryptogams. We are going to discuss about Cryptogams, and then in the next lecture we will discuss about Phanerogams. So sub-kingdom Cryptogam is the group of plants where they have no seeds, no fruits, they are flowerless plants, they are seedless plants, and their organ of reproductions are hidden. Okay, they are hidden. In fact, they reproduce through spores. Spores are the tiny particles which are capable to reproduce. Okay, so cryptogams are the group of those plants which reproduce through spores. You have to remember this. Okay, then this subkingdom cryptogam was further divided into 3 divisions. Okay, what you have to remember? Subkingdom cryptogam further divided into 3 divisions. Now what are they? First division, Halophyta. Second division, Bryophyta, and third division is called Pteridophyta. So we'll understand one by one. What is Halophyta, what is Bryophyta, what is Pteridophyta. Let us talk about Halophyta. Halophyta is said to be the most simple cryptogamic plants. Okay, they're the most simple one. Right? They have no roots, they have no stem, they have no leaves, they're just like, green patches. They're present in water, okay, just green patches. The best example is Spirogyra. Spirogyra is the best example. They are green in color due to presence of chlorophyll. What you have to remember is they are green in color due to presence of chlorophyll. Okay, whereas group of algae comes under Halophyta. Okay, so they are thalloids and just they are present in a green form. Okay, you have to remember about Spirogyra. You can see the diagram of Spirogyra where the nucleus is present. You can see, and this is seen under microscope. So Halophyta is the most simple cryptogamic plants. Let us come to the second division called as Bryophyta. So Bryophyta is said to be the amphibians of kingdom planting. Now why is this so? Why we call them as amphibian of kingdom planting? Because Bryophyta are found to be grown in moist places. Okay, moist places means somewhat dry, somewhat sandy, and somewhere marshy area as well. Okay, so that is why they are called as amphibians of kingdom planting. Now the thing is, they have false roots, no true roots. They don't have true stem. They don't have true leaves. Okay, everything which is present just appears or seems like a particular plant. A proper plant have true roots, but they don't have true roots. Okay, the roots are called the rhizoids. The roots present in them they're called as rhizoids. They don't have true roots, but they something like roots called as rhizoids. Okay, the best example of Bryophyta comes like moss funaria is the best example. You must have seen some velvet growing structure on the bricks of the walls which usually are open. Okay, the walls of terrace, the wall of any building. During rainy season, you must have seen something velvet growing on the walls. Okay, and if you look them carefully, you must have played with them as well. It's a small tiny structure which have a capsule over the top, and children play with them. Okay, so it's just the best example of Bryophyta. Okay, they reproduce by spores. Okay, water is required for the reproduction. So Bryophyta, what you have to remember about Bryophyta, they grow over moist, shady places, and they don't have true roots, they don't have true leaves, they don't have true stems. Anything which is spread on them, just they are false in nature. Okay. So now let us come to the third division called as Pteridophyta. The Pteridophyta is said to be the most developed cryptogamy plant. Okay. Now they have roots, true roots. They have true stem. Okay. They have true leaves, but they don't have flowers. All cryptogamy plants they don't have flowers. Okay. Pteridophyta, they have conducting tissues as well. Okay. Now the posterior part, the lower part, as I said, they have leaves. So the posterior part of the leaves have spores. Okay. They have spores. As I said, all the cryptogamy plant, they have spores for what? Spores for reproduction. So the leaves of Pteridophyta plant, they have spores below their leaf, the posterior part of the leaf. Okay, the spores are spreading up due to water. Okay, water is a carrier, and then when they get favorable condition, they grow into new plant. Fern, Nephrolepis is the best example of Pteridophyta. Okay, so here we have covered up all the three divisions of cryptogamy plant. Let me recall you. Subkingdom cryptogamy is divided into three divisions. First division is called as Thallophyta, second division is called as Bryophyta, third division is called as Pteridophyta. So I hope you have understood with all these examples which I have given you. So go through them, read them through the textbook. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss about subkingdom phenotypes. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi